How to increase video RAM graphics without any software. So if you want to increase the video RAM graphics without any software, then what you need to do is you just need to simply right click on your Windows and go with the device manager option. Once you open up your device manager, you just need to simply go with the display adapters. Under your display adapters, you will have your Intel HD graphics, UHD graphics. You just need to simply right click on it, go with update driver, and go with search automatically for drivers. And if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, then it's good. You just need to simply close it and now move on to the next step, which is you need to right click on your display and you just need to simply go with display settings. You just need to simply scroll down and here you will have an option of advanced display. Click on it and then go with display adapter properties for display 1. So if you have one or two displays, then you just need to simply select the display in which you would like to increase the video RAM graphics. So I'll be choosing the first display, just click on it and you'll get this kind of interface. Now here you will have your system video memory or shared system memory, dedicated video memory or total available graphics memory. Here you can see that I only have 128 MB as dedicated video memory. So if you want to increase that, then what you need to do is just go with cancel and now you need to simply right click on your Windows, go with run and you will have a run window. Once you have the run window, you just need to simply go and type regedit, Reg Edit, and then enter. Click on yes, and it will open up your Registry Editor. So once you're here under your Registry Editor, now you just need to simply enlarge the HKey local machine. Under your HKey local machine, you need to go with software. And once you enlarge the software, you need to go with Intel. So here you will have your Intel, enlarge your Intel, and under Intel, you can go with a new key. Now, once you're under the Intel, you just need to simply click on it, right click on it, go with new, and go with key. And once you created your key, now you just need to simply give it a name, which is a GMM. Make sure that it's all capital, and then enter. And if it says you cannot rename because it already exists, then you just need to simply go with the existing GMM. Once you have the GMM folder, now you just need to simply go with the right side, and under right side, if you have dedicated segment size, then you just need to simply click on it. But if you don't have it, then right click on the space, go with new, go with dword 32-bit value, and then you need to create a new key with dedicated segment size. You just need something to rename it. But in my case, I already have it, so I'll be just deleting it. Now, if you have this dedicated segment size, then what you need to do is just double click on it and you will have your value data, right? Here, we need to put the value data as 256. Or for example, if you have 2 gigabytes of RAM, then you just need to simply enter the value as 256. But if you have 4 gigabytes, you can go with 512. And if you have 8 gigabytes of RAM, you can go with 1024. And if you have 16 gigabytes of RAM, then you can go with 2046. In my case, I'll be just choosing 256 for now. And then you can go with OK. Or you can simply choose the higher value data. So go with OK and remove this, restart your computer. After restarting, it will increase your video RAM graphics without any software. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.